Here you can see it didn't work. It's got worse. We've now got running water coming out the wall. So for the moment I put a piece of gutter, and what is running into is one of the trees. Okay, so we've taken the roof off because of that nice little leak round the far side. I don't know if it's showing up, but some of these beams are so bent, there we go, that I'm going to have to do something about them. I can probably reuse them if they're not rotten themselves and turn them up the other way, which to give us the roof support. Nothing climbs on here or anything, so it's not going to hurt. And we've got to replace some timbers around the outside on both ends mainly. And the two far ends have got some rot. We'll finish draining down for the third time. And then we're going to have to reseal the whole thing. I'm going to have to go and see what my options are. The inside walls had to be squared, flattened with smooth edges to take the liner when it's fitted. Okay guys, so they didn't want me to show you filming them, but we called in the pool company that did our swimming pool and asked them to line this water reservoir, water tank, because it sprung some more leaks, and they've done a very good job of this. I took the lid off, I say lid, roof and all the timbers. So now they've done all this. Oh yeah, the pipe works. What they've had to do is cut off the pipes because they were metal and feed some plastic pipes through the middle of them, and that way they can, as they say, weld the liner to the plastic pipes, which creates a perfectly good seal. Let's show you outside. As I say, you can see where they put the plastic pipe through the metal one. I'm going to have to put something in there to stop them moving, but they've done that with taps, which are great, and left the openings there for me to get some fittings. There's one of the original fittings that they cut off, and the tap, and you can see the fitting on the end there, the black one. I need to get that on that one there. So that one there, that's 32mm, the black fitting, which, hang on, let's pan back out. As you can see, goes to that one going that way. And then if we pan over here, that one down there, that's 40mm, which has got to go in there or onto a fitting, and then let's pan out. I'll just swing this round so you can catch where we are. It's got to go to this one, which is 40mm, but I think we'll leave that reducer in to 32mm there and get a new fitting for that one there to make that 32mm. And then if we come over here, this one was already blanked off. This is the new one they put in here. Now, that had all this on it. Okay, now that's 25mm, which is great. That looks bigger, so what I might do is put the 40mm pipe into there that I just showed you, and then this 25mm down here, which has got to come off of all this because it's redundant, and I might move that into that first one because it's going to be easier to do. Either the first one or the second one, we'll see. We'll work it out. And then, once we've connected those up, we've got to get the roof on. Oh, I can't see it. There we are. It's all along there. Yeah, all along there. And we'll show you that happening. As you can see, water's now running in. The liner is all done, all round. Right, there's one of the outlets all sealed up, and you'll find there's two others on the other side. And we've got the roof timbers in place, as you can see. Not very clearly, I know, sorry. Now time to put the roof sheets back on. The roof sheets are on. I thought I'd save you watching that. And what I'll do is I'll show you these pipe fittings. So, there's the first one. And as you can see, it's got a secondary tap just there. And that's because behind here we've got a sight gauge. Now how I did that was, this is an inverted pipe with a nozzle on it. Makes it so much easier than putting a fitting in. So that's the first one. And as you can see, I kept these in the same place I was originally going to do it. And here's the other two. As I said with the first one there, that's a step down, what is it, 32mm up to 40. And this one over here stays at 32mm and heads off that way. Now there was one slight problem with this. As we were filling it, the borehole water pump packed up. So we only got a little bit of water in there. Now we've got to get the pump replaced. Thanks for watching. Bye.